This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello and welcome to a course on Canva. Now, if you haven't heard of Canva, what is Canva? Canva is a website where you can use the website to customize anything that is graphical or you need for YouTube thumbnail or anything else. If you need a Facebook cover, you can actually create these with Canva. Now this website, it's not totally free. You can actually use it for free, but there are two versions. One of them is the Canva Pro, which you need to subscribe and you need some payment. All right. Now Canva is a really good website if you're starting off with graphics designing and other stuff. Now I'm going to give the overview of Canva in this lesson. So we're going to start by, let's say if we go to the design spotlight here, you can see here there are a lot of options here. Okay, so simply if you want to get to Canva, you have to just go to your browser and just type in Canva, and it will take you to the home page of Canva. Okay, you can see here. Now once we get to the home page, this is going to be the interface here, and they're gonna want you to create an account. All right, so you're gonna have to create an account to start editing. So I already created an account, so I'm just not going to show you right now. Now let's take a look at the overview of the whole website. All right, now from here in design spotlight, you can see here there are a lot of options and a lot of things that you can cover here. So the first one is visual documents, which has worksheet, docs, presentations, whiteboards. Now if you want to create a presentation, you can just click on here. They're going to take you to another interface, and there you can just start editing. Okay, now they're going to want you to, like they're saying, design, present, inspire with Canva presentations. Okay, so this is just a demo. They're going to show you that this is a demo of all the templates that are available on Canva. Okay, so you can just make a cover here like this, just like this. Okay, for your presentation. All right, you can see here these are all the business presentation, talking presentation, mobile first presentations, and there are a lot of options here as well. Education presentation. Now if you're like running a business and you have to make a presentation on your assignment in your business, you can actually use these templates. Like if I want to make a presentation, business presentation, I could just click on it, and they'll just provide me with all of these templates. Okay, now most of them that are showing here are free, but there are a lot of them which are, you need a subscription to use these, like this one. Okay, this one has the crown here, and if I move my cursor there, you can see here it's written Pro. Okay, so it's asking me upgrade to Canva Pro to access this template, and then there's this one as well. Now in this one, the gray white, this one, you can see here it says there's a dollar sign here, and whenever I move my cursor there, it says paid. Okay, so it says this template contains paid elements, so this is not completely free. Okay, you need to pay for some elements of it in order to use it in full. Okay, but other than that, this one, or the video ones, or this one that doesn't have any icons there, any dollar icons or crown icons, they're completely free. Okay, so if I select this one, they're gonna ask me if I want to customize on this template or not. If I click on it, they're gonna take me to another interface where I can actually modify the template as I desire. All right, so you can see here I can start editing this as I want. So business project, I can give here, present here my name, and then I can give another heading here. Okay, so we're not going to use this one, so we're just going to cut this one right now, and we're going to go back. So we're gonna go back to home. So in home, I was showing you this design spotlight. Okay, so this is the visual documents. All type of documents that you want to create, you can use it from here. Okay, you can select any type of templates from here. And then we have photos and videos. There's the video editor, YouTube video editor, photo editor, photo colleagues. Now you can actually use video editors as well. You can edit videos using this Canva. You can also, there is also an interface with YouTube video editor. Then photo editor, you can obviously create photos here, edit them very nicely. Then photo colleagues. And then we have print, the business cards, invitation, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars. Now if you want to like set up merchandises, you can actually use Canva to design your merchandises according to your brand, or if you want to make them make more goodies, you can actually use Canva. And now we have the marketing. Now in marketing, we have logos, posters, flyers, brochures, and then social media, websites, stickers, yard signs, and you can also create QR code. Okay, they can actually generate QR codes from Canva. You can create logos if you have a company, or if you're willing to start a company or a website or a new brand using your name, you can actually create logos for free using Canva. Then we have posters. You can create posters as well, flyers, then all of these types, all of these things you can use. All right, now we have the business section here. So it says Canva for business. We have some really good options here. You can see here there's content creation, visual communication, brand management. Then we have team collaboration. Now the thing about team collaboration is that you can actually create your teams, a group of people, 5 or 4 people. You can actually create teams and edit with them as well. Okay, so that's the neat part of Canva. You can actually create themes with Canva as well. Then there is this option called solution. In solutions, there's marketing, creatives, agencies, sales, communications, media and publishing, startups, real estate. Yeah, there are a lot of options here. So the resources here are business resources, case studies, features, interrogations, and apps. All right. And then we have education. Now in the education section, it's really important for students. They can actually present their assignments using Canva. They can create their assignments as well. So there's this option called teachers and schools, create and collaborate visually in the classroom. Then we have students, design and documents to boost your learning. Yes, you can also learn a lot of things from Canva as well. Free teachers resources, tutorials, courses, webinars, and more, just for educators. All right. Now this section is mainly for teachers, for them to learn and then teach. Then we have LMS interrogations. These for our use, we're not gonna need this education section, so I'm gonna just skip this plan. And now we have the plans and pricings. Okay, now this is important. Like I told you, there are like a few 3 versions of Canva. So this one is free, which we're right now using, and then we have the pro, and then we have the teams. Okay, so if I go to compare pricings, now here you can see in this page, new tab, page, another tab. So you can see here there are like 3 versions. Okay, so currently we're using the Canva free for anyone wanting to design anything on your own or with others. Yes, you can create teams using Canva free version as well. And then Canva Pro, it's like $54 per year for one person. Okay, so that's $54 per year for one person, and you can actually purchase it using your wire transfer or bank account or credit card. So if you're like a single freelancer or any type of guy who is collaborating with a business company, you might want to get the pro version of Canva. Okay, so it's not really a bad investment here. $54, you'll get the full version of Canva. And if you're actually just a independent freelancer making your own money working for yourself, then you don't probably need the pro version. You can just do it with the free version as well. And then getting the pro version is just a plus point. You can actually get it very easily. And then we have the Canva for Teams. Okay, now all the great features of Canva Pro, plus we think you'll love these features, designed to allow teams of all sizes to collaborate with ease. All right, so that's $84, 84.99 $90 per year total for the first 5 people. Okay, so if you have a team of 5 people, you can actually purchase this for 1 year, and you can collaborate with your teammates and make things. All right, so that is the plans and pricings of Canva. All right, and it's best if you get the Canva Pro version for one person for yearly. That would make a really good difference. Okay, but if you're just an independent user, you can just use the Canva free. That's not a big deal. So we're gonna go back, and now in the home page, we're gonna take a look here. Now if we take a look at the far left side here in the screen, you can see here there are a few options here as well. Now if we go to the projects, now in the projects, you can see here these are like the projects that we started, that we created recently, which are actually saved. So I clicked on this one, this template before you saw. So that is one of the projects that I used, and it's been saved here. So if you open a project, it's going to be saved here, so you can just go back to that project again. All right, and then we're going to go back to the home, and then we're going to take a look at, so back to home, and now we have the templates here. Now I kind of touched on the templates before, but that was with some other topic. But the templates, there are like tons of templates in Canva, and you can use templates from any categories that you wish. Like all of these are documents templates, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, logos, flyers. There are many more. Okay, Instagram stories, posters. I mean, there are a lot of niches that you can try. Like if you want to make merchandises, you can try this. T-shirts, these are like pretty good. So you can see here we can create YouTube thumbnails. Like these are like some of the demo templates of YouTube thumbnails, like this one or this one, business strategy. And there are a lot of more. Like you don't have to make it just like this, you can just click on it, then you can just customize it like yourself. Okay, you can put your own picture here, you can also write something that you want, you can keep this one or keep the background or even change the background, that's up to you. Okay, so there are a lot of thumbnails here to try on, and you can just experiment on one of them and see how it goes. All right, then we have Facebook covers. Here you can see here these are the demo Facebook covers. Like this is like, these are all the demos that you can see here, and you can try them as well. Okay, so these are the templates. So let's get back to home, and then we have the brand hub. Okay, the brand hub is it's only for the guys who like purchase the Canva Pro. So the brand hub is not for the free version, so I'm not gonna show it. Now these are the apps. Okay, so in apps you can see here there are a lot of apps here that you can try, and Canva actually has a mobile app. All right, Canva actually has a mobile app that you can use through your phone to edit on, so that's a good thing of Canva. So this is mainly the overview of Canva. All right, now there is another option here. You can search like anything on Canva from here. You can actually search for, like, if you want to create a logo, they're gonna tell you that there are a lot of logos here. Okay, if you can't get it from there, you can just go here, search for like logos. So basically that is Canva, the overview of Canva, and we're gonna go and edit some things. We're gonna make some logos, and we're gonna make some YouTube thumbnails as well. Those are all in the next videos. In the following videos, I'm gonna show you them to you, and so I'll see you in the next lesson. All right.